It's beautiful to see that we've been able to predict all of these moves across multiple altcoins over the last week. If you haven't been following along with the channel, please do so. Start by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. We're going to take you back to last week's update. In fact, as we saw this bullish divergence after meeting my target over here, we saw some bullish divergence, which I was able to call on the channel. And I told you guys that yes, we're running into a key level resistance, but if we can reclaim it, we're going to see an instant slingshot motion into the golden pocket. And then if we could return to the 1 fib level and hold its support, as you can see, we found a higher low above it, we're going to then continue with this rally. So we've been predicting these moves, move for move, exactly, and these are all tradable events for you guys, given free here on the channel. So that is why you should subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you're aware of when these updates come out, as they're time sensitive. If it took you days to watch this video, the move has been missed. However, if you had watched the video when it came out, let's go back to it. You can see down here, we were calling for these moves when we reclaimed this purple box. It was previous resistance. It was also support in the past. However, guys, we only got 22 likes and 330 views. Not even 10% of you are liking these videos. Please do up that. We can definitely achieve this with all the free valuable information that is teaching you guys on a daily basis to become a more profitable trader. Now, if you want to take that next step, get to that next level as quick as possible, I'm here to 10x your learning curve, and I have all the tools and skills you need to become a self-sufficient trader with my 5 years of market experience. So I have things in place like my group calls, which you'll be part of my Discord community and get weekly group calls in there to help you with the exact entries, exits, the strategies you need, the criteria you need in order to take trades. And if they're not fulfilled, we're not taking the trades. I'm also going to share my longer term investments in there with over 20 plus cryptos. If you want to get that for free, I can give it for free for 3 months if you take action on either my course or mentorship plan. Now, the course is 6 hours long. It has everything you need from a complete beginner into self-sufficient trader. If you want to do the one-to-one mentorship plan, you're going to get all of these above included for free. So 3 months for free, the course for free, as well as 5 hours or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, making sure that you have all the tools you need to build the house. You just need to have that determination, discipline, and consistency, and it will take time. I'm not going to be one of those guys that say you'll be a profitable trader in 6 months. This could take years. It depends on the person, but it's all there in place for you guys. You just need to take action, and I'm more than happy to help you. This is how I was able to predict these Vechain moves over here with the things in place in the education. And so we are still expecting continuation higher, although right now we are looking at some resistances to the left over here, and this is in line with my most recent Bitcoin update from today. We were calling for this pump last week, as we saw in the Vechain update, as well as other altcoins, and yes, we were calling for much higher than where we are right now. To be honest, it was just a random line I drew up just to show you that we'd be heading up to the range high. And we can see where the most resistance is right here. And that's currently where we are rejecting right now, that 236 fib. So this is not out of the ordinary. This is not strange. We can see it's a resistance to the left. It was one to top that gave us these dumps. So the expectation is we dump from here. And that's where the Bitcoin analysis comes into play. Go ahead and watch that. At the end of this video, it will pop up in the screen. So you just click on that and you go to there. I'll also link the last week's Vechain update in the top right. You can click that anytime up here. But what we're seeing on Bitcoin is that it's topping out about 28,000. We're still expecting it to get to 30,000, but this could be, if it's topping out right now to come down, back to 27 or whatever it is, this would be Vechain coming back down to test these key levels as support to see, can we continue with this uptrend? We've got this higher low now at the 786 fib. So going forward, just maintain the 786 fib at 1713 on the perpetual futures contract on the Binance chart over here, Vechain Tether perpetual contract. Hold the 786 fib 1713, so you can come down to there. We can see that moving averages are there. We've got the 20 even earlier than that. Hold that support, and this is where we try to head higher, and that's when Bitcoin will probably head up to 29, 30,000, which I do believe will eventually be our top. So basically, over the next days and weeks, we could be still continuing higher. But eventually, once Bitcoin tops out at 30,000, I think that's what will happen. We have some bearish divergences on larger time frames for Bitcoin. Go watch that video. And yeah, that means that all altcoins will start to drop with that. So the expectation over the next couple of days, hold this key area of support, and then we will have one more push up, and that would be Bitcoin topping out about 29, 30,000, for us to have a much larger dump. This is my expectation. It can change and I will be here. So please turn on the notification bell. You need to be subscribed to do that. And if anything does change, I'll be the first to let you guys know. Path has changed, but as of now, as we're approaching 30,000, 29, 30,000, and it is our top of the market, the expectation would be a dump. And that for Vechain would signal that eventually we do dump. Although over the last week, we've been calling for a pump. And of course, if you took that move, you would be up 4.5% with a peak of about 5.5% almost. And so hopefully you took this. This was given free on the channel. And a lot of information is being shared, so I do appreciate if we could get those likes up more than 10% of the actual views. That'd be really appreciated. If we could get close to 50 or 100 likes, that would be great. If YouTube sees you enjoying, the only way they can see you enjoying the videos and finding value is by commenting and liking. So the more we do that, the more the channel grows, the more Vechain viewers come across these videos, the more people will be able to profit along with us, because all the information is there in the videos. But if you feel like you're not getting that information, if you feel like you're not able to use this information and take trades like this bullish divergence up into the 1 fib level, and then once we got above the 1 fib level, as we showed in the video right here holding support, there's further trades to the upside. So everything's there for you in place. In fact, if we take it from where the bullish divergence appeared, you could be right now at 7% with a peak of about 8% in profit without any leverage. So if you're here leveraging, could have almost got a 100% move by now. All you need to do is take action. Message me through the links in the description below. I'm here to help you with my 5 years of market experience to become self-sufficient traders. I've taught over 100 people in the past. And yeah, if that's something that's of interest to you, I'll see you soon in my community.